Okay, oh my gosh. Ang daming haters, ang daming bashers. Hello? Bashers! Ang daming haters, ang daming bashers. Alam mo, i-clear na nga natin yan once and for all. Okay? I-clear na natin. Kwento ko sa inyo kung ano nangyari. So, nagpunta po ako sa Senate for the Eddie Garcia bill. Hindi po ako nakikipunta doon lagi because I am a full-time mom and wife. Also, online seller po ako. Okay? So, I don't always go to the Senate. It's just that I was there to support the Eddie Garcia bill. At saka, alam nyo, sobra kasi ito talaga hirapan ng asawa ko yung bill na yan. Okay? So, I was there to support my husband. Alright? Now, tumagal po yung, kasi last time, parang, nung second reading, nandun rin ako, 6 o'clock tapos na. Now, every week talaga, I have a vitamin C drip. Okay? Diyan po kayo, medyo relax lang. Kasi, inisip nyo po na glutathione yung aking ginagawa. Okay? Linagay nyo dyan, gluta. Kanina nag-live selling ako, ang daming bumibili sa akin ng gluta. Okay? So, to let you know, para hindi kayo naniniwala sa fake news, vitamin C po yun. And matagal na namin yan ginagawa. Pandemic pa lang, ginagawa na po namin yan. Lahat kami dito, tuwing may nararamdaman, actually, never ko po intention na mang bastos or whatever. My intention was to show that no matter how busy we are, dapat prina-prioritize pa rin po natin yung paglalagay ng bitamina sa ating katawan. Okay? I had no intention whatsoever to disrespect the Senate or anything like that. Okay? It was never in my intention. Tapos, so, andali. Okay? And then, para sa akin, alam mo, honestly, in my head, I was in my husband's office. Okay? So, siguro, yun yung on my part, baka nakita ninyo na hindi maganda kasi sa utak ko talaga, I was in my husband's office. Ganun lang. 'Di ba? So, I felt na safe place yon because opisina po ng asawa ko. Yun ang aking iniisip. Okay? Pero, nag-post ako. Kasi nga, hindi ko naman inisipan po ng masama. Wala naman po akong bad intention kahit konti. So, ngayon, ako naman, pinost ko. Tapos, ang daming nag-react. So, to respect them, kasi nga parang, ay, oh my gosh, meron pala mga na-offend. Okay, sige, i-delete ko. So, I deleted that post, but I never ever said that I was taking gluta drip. It was vitamin C. Okay? Alright? Oh. Yes, go! Bakit sa Senate? Because yung oras po, dapat yun talaga, may appointment ako sa bahay. And then, sige, mag-question and answer tayo. Naging press con yung live selling ko. Sige, mag-press con tayo. Okay. Kasi, thank you, sabi ni Edenbog, wag na po kayo mag-explain, hindi sila worth it, thank you. Ang toxic na mga tao dito, sabi niya, wag tayo ganyan, maging happy tayo dahil maganda yung mga deals na ibibigay natin tonight. Okay? So, as I was saying, dapat, yung trip ko sa bahay talaga. Kaya lang nga, tumagal, inintay ko po yung asawa ko na 9 o'clock, nasa opisina pa rin. So sabi ko, dito na lang, pumunta na lang sila na hindi ko naman inisipan na, oh my gosh, maging national issue pala, diba? That's why I am saying sorry dun sa mga na-offend. Okay? But it was never my intention na i-offend kayo, gawing parang hindi ka respectable yung Senado. No, of course not. Okay? So now, I'm going to go back to my live selling and yung mga gustong mag-hate pa dyan, okay, go. Diba?